Most beginner bots are actually very simple. They follow rules: market data, analysis, decision, buy or sell. Some advanced bots use machine learning and AI predictions, but most successful beginner bots start with simple strategies. Let's start with the easiest option first. If you know almost nothing about programming, there are platforms that already have built-in trading bots. Pionex is probably the easiest place to start. It already includes ready-made bots like grid bots, DCA bots, and rebalancing bots. You can literally launch your first bot in minutes. This is perfect if you want to understand how automation works before learning coding. The next step is Capitalize AI. This platform is interesting because you can create strategies using normal English. For example, buy Bitcoin if RSI goes below 30, and the platform turns that into an automated strategy. This is a great way to learn trading logic without writing code. Most real crypto trading bots are built using Python, exchange APIs, and market data. The most popular beginner setup is Binance API plus Python. Your bot can download prices, analyze charts, send alerts, and place trades automatically. This tiny script already connects to Binance and downloads the Bitcoin price. That's the beginning of a real trading bot. Now let's talk about the AI part. Real AI trading bots use machine learning models to analyze patterns in the market. AI looks at price history, indicators, volume, and trends. Then it tries to predict up or down. Popular beginner AI tools include scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. At the professional level, many developers use QuantConnect. This platform is used for algorithmic trading, AI strategies, backtesting, and quantitative finance. It's much more advanced, but it's also one of the best places to grow if you want to become a real quant developer. Here's the simplest roadmap for beginners. Start with Pionex, then Capitalize AI, Python plus Binance API, AI plus machine learning, and then QuantConnect. Start small, learn slowly, build simple project first. If you want simple AI trading tutorials, subscribe and check the next video. Thank you for watching.